Hi. Volkswagen Group China unveils the first electric vertical takeoff and landing passenger taxi aircraft prototype. Welcome to Pachi Travels. Urban air mobility is set to become a key market segment, and the group's vertical mobility project in China is developing a new premium mobility concept aimed initially at high-net-worth tech-savvy Chinese customers. The final version of the fully electric and automated VTOL could eventually carry 4 passengers plus luggage over a distance of up to 200 kilometers. Volkswagen Group China today unveiled its first electric vertical takeoff and landing passenger airplane prototype, as part of its strategy to explore and break new ground in fully electric and sustainable individual mobility concepts. In 2020, Volkswagen Group China launched a vertical mobility project to explore the next generation of mobility solutions, including the urban air mobility market and the extension of urban traffic into airspace. After intensive research, conceptual work, and development, the project team has now developed its first validation model, the V.MO. This initial prototype has also been nicknamed the Flying Tiger, due to its distinctive black and gold livery, which was painted to commemorate its launch in the Year of the Tiger. This Volkswagen concept is based on existing autonomous driving solutions and battery technology for emission-free mobility. With a luxury X-wing configuration of 11.2 meters in length and a span width of 10.6 meters, the model features 8 rotors for vertical lift and 2 propellers for horizontal flight. The Volkswagen Group will conduct several flight tests later this year to optimize the concept, and an improved prototype will undergo further advanced test flights by late summer 2023. In its final future iteration, the fully electric and automated VTOL could eventually carry 4 passengers plus luggage over a distance of up to 200 kilometers. VTOL aircrafts will be able to transport passengers more quickly and efficiently than current conventional means of terrestrial transport, and with greater flexibility. As the vertical mobility project develops, Volkswagen Group China will work with the relevant Chinese authorities to achieve certification. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.